Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to open TikTok in mute mode, so you can browse your favorite videos quietly. Whether you're in a public place or just prefer watching without sound, this method works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Next, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Now, scroll down until you find the Playback section. Open it, and the first option you'll see is Open TikTok on Mute. Simply enable this option. This will mute all videos by default when you open TikTok, allowing you to browse without sound. If you want to unmute a video while watching, simply tap the sound button on the video, and the sound will return. And that's it! You've now learned how to open TikTok in mute mode for a quieter browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.